Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add Notcoin to a Tonkeeper wallet. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is actually open up your Telegram and search for Notcoin, and this is the correct one where it's got Notcoin with the blue tick and it's got bot underneath. So if you just start the process of talking to the bot, and then we're next going to come up against a message that says Notcoin claim is available, be ready for the next adventure or not, and then just select open. Here it's going to open the next page and it's going to want to automatically connect a wallet to it. Okay, so here we're going to just select connect wallet. And then here it's going to automatically bring up all the potential wallets that can be connected. So, okay, I'm going to select Tonkeeper. Okay, and then it's going to direct you to a web link. So just click yes. And then it's going to automatically know that you've got the Tonkeeper app on your phone or the Tonkeeper wallet. And then it's going to say, are you happy to connect with the community? So the community is requesting access to your wallet. So if we just do connect wallet, it'll probably do your passcode or Face ID. Okay, and then you can see at the top there that your wallet has then been added to your Notcoin. And that is it. That is how to add your Notcoin to Tonkeeper wallet.